Hello, everybody. My name is Dalton Hopkins, and today we are going to be looking at episode 68, part 2 of Skibidi Toilet. Let's get into this, but before we do, make sure to like and subscribe for more content like this. Starting up, we can see a big fight between the Alliance and the Toilets, and we find out the POV of the last of episode 67 of Skibidi Toilet was a large cameraman. And continuing the episode, we see that we are the plunger cameraman's POV in this episode. Then we get to see the symbol of G-Man and a few other toilets. And then we get to see how the Alliance are getting through this place. They are zapping the doors with this weird green gun that I don't know what it can do, but for now we only know that it's only good for opening doors. But continuing the episode, we see the other cameraman give him a thumbs up, and then we get to see a bunch of skibidis on their phones, and then a big battle happens. Plunger Man flushes the toilet, and then we just see the bunch of toilets get killed, and then we see the red shirt cameraman, as what I've seen him be called. But then we notice a weird crane looking skibby move and pick up a box. Large cameraman gets ready to fight, but then Plunger Man runs over there to see what's going on. Then when we look, we see a bunch of toilets going in a Pacific direction that's along with a flying skibidi toilet. And then Plunger Man moves over there, and then we see a big laboratory on how the acid toilets are created. But continuing, we see large cameraman wanting to go in, but Plunger Man says no. But Plunger Man sneaks in, but then he gets a recording error, meaning he can no longer record in this area, unless if he cannot record in that area for long. But then a red alarm appears because two toilets have spotted the gang. And then this flying toilet flies up and gets ready to attack us. Large cameraman fires at something, allowing us to get away and close the door. Then we run, and then large cameraman gets shot at, but then gets away with it. But then we see this laser scientist-looking toilet. We run in, but large cameraman gets injured. We fight it away, but then the saddest moment of Skibidi Toilet happens. We see our old friend get injured. He waves to us, gives Plunger Man his lens, shows him a thumbs up, and dies. This was probably one of the saddest moments in Skibidi Toilet history. Plunger Man shows his anger by getting ready to avenge his pal, not knowing what the dangers could be. In fact, the Frick Boom is currently having season 22, all episodes of Skibidi Toilet in a premiere and premiering in 8 minutes. Turns out there were only 2 parts of episode 68, and because we recently got episode 68 full episode, but that is currently all of the stuff in episode 68. We are currently waiting for episode 69. Anyways, I hope you enjoyed today's video. Dalton Hopkins, bye bye.